Welcome to our channel, Travel Tips and Tricks. I'm your guide to explore the best place in Sweden. As we embark on this virtual journey together, let's share our experiences and travel hacks. Get your passports ready, turn on those notifications, and subscribe for the latest updates. In the spirit of adventure and discovery, let's dive into the Nordic charm, the captivating landscapes, and the rich cultural heritage of Sweden. So buckle up and get ready to explore the majestic land of Sweden. To start, it's essential to understand the climate of Sweden, so you can pack accordingly. Sweden enjoys a temperate climate thanks to the Gulf Stream, a warm Atlantic Ocean current. However, it's a country with 4 distinct seasons, each bringing its own charm. Winter descends from December through March, transforming Sweden into a snowy wonderland. It's chilly with temperatures often dropping below freezing, so pack your warmest coats, scarves, and gloves. Spring, from April to June, is a delightful season with blooming flowers and warmer temperatures. A light jacket should suffice. Summer, from late June to August, is pleasantly warm, but not overly hot, making it perfect for outdoor activities. A t-shirt and a pair of shorts will keep you comfortable. Autumn, from September to November, is cool and crisp, with beautiful fall foliage. A cozy sweater and a light coat are advisable. With this climate knowledge, you'll be well prepared for any Swedish weather that comes your way. Now, let's dive into the delicious local cuisine of Sweden. Sweden's culinary scene is a delightful fusion of tradition and innovation. Let's whet your appetite with 3 must-try dishes. First off, we have köttbullar or Swedish meatballs. These aren't your average meatballs. They're often served with lingonberry sauce and mashed potatoes, a heartwarming dish perfect for the chilly Swedish climate. Next, we have gravlax, a Scandinavian dish where salmon is cured in salt, sugar, and dill. It's often served with a dill and mustard sauce and is a testament to Sweden's love for fresh local produce. Finally, we can't forget kanelbullar, Sweden's iconic cinnamon buns. These sweet, aromatic pastries are a staple in every Swedish fika or coffee break and are a true delight for the senses. Whether you're dining in a bustling city restaurant or a cozy countryside cafe, these dishes are readily available and are a must-try. Don't miss out on these culinary delights when you visit Sweden. Before we explore the iconic locations, let's talk about practical things, the currency, and the best time to visit. Sweden's currency is the Swedish krona, often symbolized as SEK. While credit cards are widely accepted, it's always a good idea to have some krona on hand for smaller establishments or unexpected expenses. You can exchange your currency at banks, post offices, or currency exchange offices. However, avoid airport exchanges if you can. They often have higher rates. Now let's talk about the best time to visit. If you're a fan of long, warm days and outdoor festivals, the Swedish summer from June to August is your best bet. But if you're enchanted by the northern lights and winter sports, consider visiting from December to March. Autumn, with its vibrant foliage, offers a less crowded yet picturesque alternative. With these tips, you can plan your trip at the right time and navigate the currency exchange like a pro. Now, the moment you've been waiting for, the top 10 must-visit places in Sweden. Let's start with the capital, Stockholm. It's a city of islands where old meets new. The cobblestone streets of Gamla Stan, the old town, will transport you back in time, while modern architecture like the turning torso in Malmö showcases Sweden's innovative spirit. Next, let's sail to Visby, a medieval gem on the island of Gotland. Its well-preserved city walls and charming houses have earned it a spot on the UNESCO World Heritage List. Third on our list is Kiruna, the northernmost town in Sweden. It's your gateway to the mesmerizing natural phenomenon, the Northern Lights. If you're lucky, you might even spot some reindeer. Next, we head to Gothenburg, Sweden's second-largest city. Known for its Dutch-style canals and leafy boulevards, it's also home to the largest amusement park in Scandinavia, Liseberg. Our 5th destination is Uppsala, a city steeped in history and academia. Visit the Gustavianum, which houses an anatomical theater from the 17th century, and Uppsala University, the oldest in Scandinavia. 6th on our list is Malmö, a city that perfectly blends old and new. Don't miss the stunning turning torso, Scandinavia's tallest building, and Malmö Castle, a Renaissance fortress. Next, we head to Lund, another historical city with a prestigious university. Its cathedral, dating back to the 12th century, is a must-see. 8th on our list is the awe-inspiring Abisko National Park. With its stunning landscapes, it's a paradise for hikers and nature lovers. Our penultimate stop is Falun, home to the Great Copper Mountain, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This mining area played a crucial role in Sweden's economic development. Finally, we visit Vasa Museum in Stockholm, where you can marvel at the 17th century Vasa ship, which sank on its maiden voyage and was spectacularly preserved in the Baltic Sea. These are just a few of the unmissable locations that Sweden has to offer. Before we wrap up, here are some final tips and tricks for your Swedish adventure. Making your journey memorable doesn't have to cost a fortune. Sweden offers a range of budget-friendly accommodations, from quaint bed and breakfasts to cozy hostels. Check out websites like Booking.com and Airbnb for the best deals. And remember, booking in advance can save you some serious krona. Now let's talk safety. Sweden is generally a safe country, but like anywhere, it's best to stay vigilant. Keep your belongings secure, especially in crowded areas. It's also a good idea to have a digital copy of your important documents, like your passport and travel insurance, just in case. While exploring this beautiful country, there are a few things you should avoid doing. Don't litter. Swedes take their environment seriously, and so should you. Also, avoid discussing personal income. It's considered impolite. And remember, queue jumping is a big no-no. Swedes value their personal space and respect for order. To make the most of your visit, here are a few hacks. First, get a city card if you're visiting Stockholm or Gothenburg. It gives you free entry to many attractions and public transportation. Secondly, don't shy away from trying the local food. From meatballs to herring, the cuisine is an experience in itself. And lastly, don't forget to enjoy the fika culture. It's a Swedish tradition of taking a break, usually for coffee and a sweet treat. Trust me, it's a delightful way to soak in the local vibe. One more thing, the weather can be unpredictable, so always carry a light jacket or umbrella. And don't forget your camera. The northern lights, the Stockholm archipelago, the medieval alleys of Visby, every corner of Sweden is a photographer's paradise. With these tips and tricks, you're ready to make the most of your trip to Sweden. Well, that's all for today's guide to Sweden. We've covered everything from understanding the climate, tasting local dishes, planning your visit during the best season, and exploring 10 must-visit places. We've also shared some safety tips, budget-friendly recommendations, and hacks to make the most of your visit. It's your turn now to plan your next adventure. Thank you for joining this virtual journey. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video with friends planning to visit Sweden. Happy travels!